All right, guys, thank you for joining me. I know it's been a long time. I will definitely try to do better. Yeah, try to do better. So I'm not going to say once a week, once every 2 weeks. I'm going to just do better. And you guys hopefully will subscribe and check out the videos. So, randomness. I'm the queen of randomness. It doesn't have to have a, an exact reason, rhyme or reason. Okay, so I went to the fruit market. I brought a bunch of fruit. And when I say a bunch of fruit, I brought black plums, red plums, apples, watermelon, and cantaloupe. Okay, so now some of that stuff might not be on the alkaline list. Okay, whatever. I bought it anyway. So we're going to talk about apples today. So when I say apples, I mean like that apple right there. So I washed it off. And as I'm washing it off, I'm like, well, let me shake the excess water off of it. And when I decided to shake the excess water off of it, I heard it click. Like there's something, hopefully you can hear it. Hopefully I just don't sound crazy or seem crazy. Something rattling in this apple. Now I'm going to just say that it's seeds, but I have never, ever heard an apple rattle. You hear it. So I am going to cut it and see what's in it. I don't think I'm going to eat it, but I'll keep you posted. All right, I'm back. So I told you it was randomness. I was not prepared, so I went and got the knife. And here is the apple. Still rattling. Okay, so I have a cutting board down here too, so don't be alarmed. Okay, so it's still rattling, but what you can see is that seed right there is what's rattling. So I guess, I could eat it. But I don't recall seeds, pockets being that big in apples. This may be like a, apple you might not want to eat. I don't know. Would you eat it? So I guess that solves that riddle right there. So yes, it was a seed. Seed and apple. Well, at the end of the day, it was an apple. Just an apple with seeds that rattled. So we ate it. Me and the dogs ate it. Until next time. Thanks for joining.